Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Comcast Corporation. And if you look at this chart, so the chart is at a very interesting position because we are looking at a long-term trend. So if you are looking at the trend, this stock price is anyhow available since 1980. So from 1980 uh, yep, till 1999, so in last 19 years it has given 3800 odd percent of return, and after that the stock has seen a deep crash from 1999 till 2009 of 10 years. So it has started from Y2K crash and then goes on till the economic crash of 2009, and after that what you have seen till now since 2009. So if you look at the stock price, so the stock has given 670% of return since 2009. But if you look at this in the context of the overall trend, what you can see here is that it's just a rebound, nothing else. It is not what you can say, if you purchase this stock at 2009, it may be rally for you, but in the overall context of the chart, it is just a bounce back from the lows of 2009, and it is trying to test, the stock is trying to test its previous high of 1999. So it's now reaching towards its 21 past years high. So the stock price, which has seen 21 years ago, is trying to reach that level. So for the time being, let me just move to the line chart, and what you can see here is that it's very close to its level. In fact, in the line chart, the stock has touched its previous high. So the stock has touched its previous 1999 high in 2019, and then falls back. So it's just a retest. So let me just move towards the candlestick chart. So what I can say here, that the stock maybe is at a verge of a very big breakout, a multi-decade breakout of 21 odd years. And these kind of breakouts give you pretty massive results. Obviously it will take time to reach the target level, but if you can see the overall trend, you can understand what I'm trying to say here right now. Okay, so this is our trend. This is just a consolidation trend, just a consolidation. If you look at this chart, the chart is consolidating since 1990 till 2020. So it's a 30-year consolidation chart. So one more thing to understand here, it's just for the purpose of risk analysis, and you should consider risk at first place. Obviously you have to take care of your risk in first place, and then think about the profit. So if you are looking at this chart, what you can see here is a long-term consolidating trend, and what I said here is just about breakout. But if you are looking at a consolidation or a chart which is consolidating 5 years or more, so it's a 30 years consolidating chart. So what you can do in a consolidating chart or a chart in a consolidation is just don't go beyond ranges. So here the top side of the range, or your target level, or you can call as your big resistance level, is at $50. So your target, the maximum target which you can think of, is $50, and your downside is limited to 5. Okay, and your immediate support, so this is your resistance in between 46 to $50, and the first support will come at around 32.64 and 28.19. okay, these are your support levels, and you know your resistance levels. Now let me tell you again that unless the stop breaks above 50.62 and stay above 60 points 50.62, do not think of a breakout. Okay, so why I'm saying breakout is because of the sector this stock represents. There is a very high probability, and I'm not denying that, but because the chart trend is consolidating and the nature of this stock price is consolidation, so I cannot say that it's going to it's going for a big breakout, which you can see in uptrending chart. So it's not an uptrending chart, it's a consolidating chart or flat chart. So unless 50, don't think about your big breakout. Okay, and these are your important support level which you should consider very seriously, because breaking of this level could cost you lots of damage. Okay, so you should not think the support levels in light way. Just consider these two. So if you are a very risk averse guy, just consider these two support level 32.64 and 28.19 as your big support, because below which the stock may falls toward 15.33. so this is what you can do right now. Now what will happen if the stock breaks out above 50.62 and sustain above $51? So in that sense, what we can do here is just this. So what we can do here is this, that the size or the length of this range is 750%. Okay, so if the breakout happen, the upside momentum will be as same as the length of the previous consolidation or the consolidation of the past, you can say 30 odd years. Okay, so it's 753%. so what we can say here, once a big breakout happen, so there will be a rise of 753% over a period of multi years. It's not about 1 year or 2 years, it can be a minimum 3 to 5 years. Okay, but the next probable target will come at around 380 to $387. so this is what I am talking about right now, which is pretty big. Okay, so which is pretty big in nature. So just think of that, and think in both the ways about the consolidation and about the breakout. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.